Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are talking about Quant Network QNT with an important update regarding the question in everyone's minds: is it over for QNT? Is it time to finally give up? Well, I want this video to serve as a morale boost for QNT investors because we were in the situation not too long ago with XRP, seeing years worth of sideways price action, frustration building up, and it all changed in a couple of weeks. I believe the same will happen with QNT. So if you're a holder of QNT or just enjoy watching the QNT videos, be sure to leave a like down below. And with that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so quick reminder for every video that we make that this is not financial advice and for entertainment purposes only. Nothing in crypto is guaranteed and you could lose all of your money. Stay safe and do your own research. Now, the first point I want to get into is that QNT could be an XRP style play. Now, to give context to how long we have been making videos on the channel, it's been over 3 years, and XRP has been a critical talking point throughout this whole journey, remaining bullish and dollar cost averaging. And this was through years worth of price action like this. It was difficult to be an XRP holder. XRP, up until the recent breakout, was the laughingstock of the crypto community. So years worth of downwards price action, just sideways, nothing happening at all, despite the news that was out there. And this all reversed within the matter of weeks and months. And if we compare the charts now to April 2023, XRP is the second highest gainer. That's how quick things can change. And like XRP, QNT has strong fundamentals and does not follow the broader crypto market cycle. Right, QNT actually pumped late in 2021. A lot of people capitulated. It did not really increase truly until August and September. And again, during the bear market, all the way up until the FTX crash, QNT outperformed 99% of cryptocurrencies. So the coin pumps at irregular times. And if we actually go to the charts recently, we can see that QNT was doing well. Right? It was up 3x from the lows. It broke through $150 resistance, but just the market swipe took it down further. Am I selling? Am I leaving the project now that we've gone down further? No, I'm simply holding on to my QNT because I have unwavering conviction, the same that I had in XRP. Now, why is that? It's because of fundamentals and utility, things that I believe push crypto projects higher. And institutional adoption is still strong. And institutional adoption is increasing year on year. You've heard it over 100 times. Project Roslyn back in 2023, then working with the Bank of England, Bank for International Settlements, exploring how application programming interfaces work with CBDC systems. In 2024, Quant Network working with HSBC, Barclays, MasterCard, now the leading financial institutions on a completely new financial market infrastructure. And in 2025, partnering with Oracle, right, one of the world's largest software companies, over 800,000 customers globally, relying on Quant for interoperability and digital asset tokenization. And back in February, Oracle launched the OBPDA, a powerful enterprise-grade solution designed to streamline the development and deployment of digital assets applications and build unified ledgers. So this is Quant's vision of connecting blockchains, cross-chain interoperability. Quant Network's Overledger plays a critical role here, right? Powering the unified ledgers. Only 14.8 million tokens. I think I know where this project is headed. Tokenizer also states the comparison here where Oracle is also respected in the CBDC fintech space, and most of the work ties back to the Overledger's work. So we can see a scenario where, Oracle's blockchain platform could provide the infrastructure for CBDCs, and Quant Network provide the interoperability. And despite all this adoption, QNT is still overlooked as a project. Right, here's analysis of the top 100 cryptocurrencies, and while I agree most of these projects are overvalued, do not deserve billion-dollar valuations, QNT and XTC were given question marks. Most people do not understand what these projects do, but with that in mind, patience is key, and just knowing Quant's future potential is enough for me to hold the token even longer. Moving on to Gilbert Verdian, CEO of Quant, talking about the Bybit biggest crypto heist ever and how Overledger authorized where institutions can extend their existing security controls to blockchain. So extra measures like compliance tracking, or multi-signature protocol. And so when it comes to institutions, banks, traditional platforms, they will not be running their operations like crypto companies, crypto exchanges, right? These situations will not happen. And with the help of Overledger authorize, that is a huge use case there. Now moving on, looking towards spring 2025, very close. We have a tweet here by San, hundreds of trillions of pounds coming to the Overledger. So we can see a new core settlement engine is set to launch by spring 2025. A synchronization interface will improve efficiency by linking RTGS with other ledgers. So powered by the Overledger itself, and it's linked back to previous use cases, being the UK's Regulated Liability Network and Project Rosalind. Now, this is why I'm still holding QNT strong, not just because of these use cases, but because most of them, so many, are in the experimentation phase. We're not even in the final phase yet for these projects, and that's going to be the real catalyst to send QNT higher, in my opinion. And knowing that institutions are lining up to adopt quant networks technology, knowing its role in the global financial infrastructure, it would feel like a mistake for me to sell right now. And just looking at the market in general, but the total free has still not really broken its previous all-time high from 2021. For reference, from 2017, it done over a 3x, but this is the total free excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, essentially the Altseason market cap. If this is really over, that's a new paradigm, and I'll probably become a Bitcoin maximalist. But I do not believe it is over or the end. And when I look at other cryptos opportunities, there are so many times to enter Bitcoin, ride that high. I believe the maximum upside is over right now. When it comes to other cryptocurrencies like XRP, I'm still up heavily from the actual entry points I had, and most cryptos that we speak about on the channel, but QNT still at the lows, and one crypto I still have conviction and belief in. So be sure to let me know down below, do you still hold QNT, or did you give up and sell? If you did, what did you swap it into? Fiat, stables, or other cryptos, and did you do well with them? Let me know down below. But if you made this fun video, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Banks and payment companies are exploring digital currencies to increase access to financial services whilst automating processes and lowering costs. Effective management of cryptographic keys and transaction signing is essential for authorization of blockchain transactions, but it remains a challenge. Existing key management solutions were not built for blockchain. Many lack the security and utility at scale needed to support millions of customers and billions of transactions. Overledger Authorize from Quant provides central bank grade key management for large-scale authorizations on multiple networks. Using flexible APIs, Authorize integrates with existing identity management, anti-fraud engines and AI models to authenticate and sign transaction requests. Keys can be generated and stored automatically in proprietary or third-party vaults. Once signed, transactions are passed to any supporting blockchain through Overledger, allowing seamless payments, transfers, and other transactions to major blockchains. Developers no longer need to code specific cryptographic interfaces to connect every blockchain and key store to every internal system. Authorize does it all. With Overledger Authorize, financial institutions and developers can securely overcome the hurdles of key management and bring authentication to the blockchain era.